Easy Crew back once again with another video, and just a quick heads up to let you guys know that I ordered in a Gotek SCSI device for my Akai S1000. Right guys, so just a quick pause. For those of you who don't know what a Zuluscsi is, yeah, it's a device that you can put into your sampler which acts like a hard drive, and it acts like 7 different SCSI devices. We're talking CD-ROM, we're talking 6 other different hard drives. It's pretty sick, man. And you can never, like in reality, fit 6 hard drives in your sampler, and it works like external devices. It tricks the sampler into thinking they're hard drive, and you just put these little blank images and the sampler reads them, and you save all your samples to it and everything. It's the bomb thing. Shout to Sampler Zone. I'm going to be checking that out from them. Obviously this is not a paid advert, just doing this off my own back. But what they've done, and it's really cool, yeah, is they have got a Gotek and they've added a Zuluscsi to it. Now that's some next level stuff, and I think what they've done is they've printed some sort of 3D case that just mounts the two. So you've got the Gotek on the bottom, and then you've got the Zuluscsi board that sits straight into the case, and that's absolutely blinding because you can have the best of both worlds. As long as it's got SCSI in that sampler, you can configure it up so it's got a SCSI hard drive, and you've got your little SD card poking out the slot, yeah, which you can change and use the Zuluscsi, because the Zuluscsi is a fantastic device as well. I've been getting on really well with it. But in a nutshell, this thing should be coming in the next few days, and it will allow me to finally complete my Akai S1000, because I'm literally going to be putting my Akai S1000 in the rack where my 950 is for now, and I'm going to be tinkering around because I want to make some Akai S1000 libraries. Okay, quick one guys. I recently found out that unfortunately Chicken Systems don't do this for the Akai S series samplers, because they're saying, what they're saying is the floppy disk area is simply too small, and the thing is that they saying that you potentially don't need a Gotek if you're just going to put like a Zuluscsi in that port, which really I kind of want both in. So I'm going to sort out a way of modding the two. It sort of defeats the object of having a Gotek SCSI. Okay guys, as you can see, here's my little jerry-rigged version of the Gotek and the SCSI in the same machine. So what I've done is I've basically screwed the Zuluscsi onto the back of this Gotek here, which is fully working, as you can see, right? And I've run a ribbon cable. When I say ribbon cable, I've run an SD card extender. So I plugged the dummy SD card into the slot on this, ran it through the front, and I've basically hot glued this here. So you can still take out the card, as you can see here, and you can pop it back in, and it works just like a Zuluscsi. I've wired the SCSI internally. Bear with me a second. Right, there you go. Right, so I've got a song there, and it loads, no problem. All loads and all works, and all that good stuff there. Right, so I've just finished editing something, so I'll save it now. Just quickly show you. Save. Check this out. So I'll go there. Track I'm working on called Give It Up, and as you can see, it's saving. No problems whatsoever. Perfect. And that's it. My Akai S1000 is complete. Another cool thing you can do with this as well, which I was able to do, is I've got an old SCSI hard drive, and I was able to copy the SCSI hard drive, because there's a mode that you can put this in, and it will allow you to make an image of your SCSI device or SCSI drive without even having it connected up with a computer. So you can actually copy old drives and convert them into Zuluscsi images, which is so cool. I'll show you one here now. I've actually got that on SCSI ID drive number 1. I'm a big fan of this Zuluscsi. So as you can see, all this stuff here is from my previous drive that I had on another computer. Look, Kai's program, and that is a drive that I've had previously that Zuluscsi automatically copied for me. Really cool piece of device. I'm loving the Zuluscsi. I do like the Hardrives SCSI as well. But this one right now, I'm really excited about it. It's working superbly well. I'm going to be installing this in my S5000 as well. So yeah, guys, if you're getting anything out of this, you know what to do. Smash that like button. Also, this PreSonus mixer, I'm going to do another review on this PreSonus mixer, because even though in the past I've not been a big fan of the PreSonus monitor controllers, this mixer sounds amazing. There's also been quite a few people talking about doing ADF files for the Amiga on some breaks and stuff. So I'm going to be sorting some of that out. You guys have got the Amiga emulators who want to have fun with all that good stuff. So I'm looking to do that. Guys, if you are enjoying my content, I'm doing my best to upgrade this channel and get it all popping for you guys. Please smash that like button, guys, because it's very, 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 very important. I know everyone says smash that like button, but for me, you just be giving me a signal that you like this type of video, and I will do more. I promise I'll do more of these types of videos.
You've got a green thing on your neck. You've got a green thing there.
Oh shit. Okay guys, in this next scene I'm going to show you some tinkering around on the Akai S1000. Made a little beat on there, check it out. So guys, let me show you the sampler and what samples I've got inside here. Check this out. I've got the King Def, I've got the loop snare, I've got the second snare, time stretch, cymbal, time stretch cymbal, snare, nice bass line sound, string. I've got a vocal, Cutty Ranks, big up Cutty Ranks. I've got a stretch version of the vocal, got Soul Pride snare, Soul Pride first part like so. I've got another cut version of it, snare, another cut, roll, gone in on this Soul Pride. Second, I've got an R vocal, I've got Insane Cutty, which I've done some effects to it. I've got the Music Is My Life sample. I've got Rude Boy Crew. I've got Rude Boy Stretch. I've got Give It Up. I've got Ride from the Amen, and I've got Cymbal again, reverse, and that is it. So that being done, let me show you a quick little shout on the mixer. I've got these separated into not that many outputs, and I've got effects coming out here on this part using the PreSonus mixer. This is the main out, and the other channels are the outputs from the Akai straight from the back. So let's have a listen.